Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello, guys. I've got an update for you and a gist for that matter, and it's an eye opener because
Jesus Christ now. And background, what you can
presently,
hear
what
is
is
the
happening
calling
in
to
our
prayer
country,
by
Nigeria,
Muslims. This
we
is
all
Nazareth.
know
So it sounds crazy. We
the
fighting about
case of
with ourselves,
Muslim and
Muslim
Christian,
fighting
this
Christian,
religious
Christian fighting
crisis
Muslims.
that is going
This is
on,
Nazareth for heaven's sake.
Muslim
This is
fighting
Christ, the
Christian, Christian
hometown of Jesus
fighting
Christ.
Muslims, and
You can hear.
stuff like that. And
They're
we
calling to
even
prayer.
heard about this girl, Deborah
This is a
Samuel,
church.
so that was
You can see.
killed
This
in
is a church.
Sokoto, that was a
This is a church.
student of Shehu
You can
Shadari
hear.
College of Education,
That's
and
the church.
also
And within
another
here, you can.
was killed
This is the First
recently at
Catholic Church
Abuja.
in
They said
Nazareth.
for blaspheming that
And,
he
uh, and, and,
blasphemed
and I can
Allah.
hear
It is
the call to
really
prayer by
a
Muslims.
very
Inside the church,
pathetic
it's close by.
story to hear
You
and
can
to
hear.
see on the social media,
Oh, it's insane. We
because
fighting
I don't
ourselves
know
about religion, about this.
who are those that are just
Oh my God. Oh
talking
my
and
God.
speaking
God
about
forgive all of us.
a religious, one religion is
This is
good, one
First
religion
Catholic
is bad,
Church.
condemning each other and killing each other, all in the name of religion. But for your
You can hear it.
information, what I have to tell you is, I want you to see this video that I'm about to show you. I want you to
This
see
is
this
First
video
Catholic
and see
Church
what I'm talking
in
about. You
Nazareth.
can imagine
Well,
in Jerusalem, Nazareth, where it happened to be the birthplace of Jesus
God forgive all
Christ.
of us.
There is
Being
Nazareth,
we
though,
have been killing
where Jesus
ourselves
Christ
because
was
of religion.
born, and there's a church there.
Yeah, I'm
In
talking
fact,
to my
could
people
you
in Nigeria.
believe that
This is the first
Muslim
Catholic church
faithful were
in
calling
in
for
Nazareth.
prayers
And
inside church?
you can hear the background.
Inside
They're calling to
church.
prayer by Muslims. Something
Yes.
is wrong with us
Inside,
fighting
you
killing
heard me.
ourselves
You
because
can see it
of
yourself.
religion.
Inside the
Maybe my brother
church,
from
Muslim
You can
faithful
see this.
were calling
This
their brethren to come and pray. I don't know. I don't know what is wrong with us Nigerians. I don't know. I don't just know. I don't know how we think. I don't know what is usually going on in our mind, in our heads. I don't know. What is bad in Christian going to mosque to pray? And what is bad in Muslim going to church to pray? Are we not serving God? Is it not the same God? Or they say we are not serving the same God? This religious problem, challenges, palava that we put on our head is getting too much. Please, let's just let peace reign, please, because the God we are serving is God of peace and is God of love. He doesn't entertain any violence at all. Please, thank you.